Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video for August and I've got Cohorted, and this month all the products inside the box are all Laura Geller products. So if you're new to Cohorted, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about the subscription, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to skip forward to seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Cohorted is voted the #1 luxury subscription box in the UK and it ships worldwide. The cost of the box is £49.99 and that includes shipping within the UK. For out of the UK there's an additional shipping, and when you go to checkout you'll search for your country and then the shipping costs will come up. For instance, shipping cost to America is £12. This subscription is a little bit different to many other subscriptions in the fact that you pay a month in advance for your box. So if you're watching this video now and you're thinking, I really want that box, I'm going to subscribe straight away, unfortunately you won't be able to get this box. Well, there is other ways which I'll talk about in a little while, but if you were to subscribe in August, your first box will be the September box. But I'm trying to seek out spoilers towards the end of the month, so you know what your box is going to be if you subscribe at the end of August and your first box is September, for instance. Check out my Instagram and Facebook pages, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, where I post up all like news, alerts, beauty offers and things like that. But even if you don't subscribe in August, there is a chance you might be able to get this box, because towards like the middle to the end of the month they release that month's box as one-off boxes and you're able to purchase it for £50. If you look on the Cohorted website, you will see they have got a lot of boxes that are available to purchase, and some really great ones as well, including some mystery boxes, which I'm thinking of getting one just to see what they're like. Inside you find a minimum of 5 beauty products ranging from hair care, skincare, nail care and makeup. The boxes are 100% recyclable, and also they have 2 codes to share to first-time subscribers as well. You've got Cohorted Gift Me, which will entitle you to receive a freebie when you first sign up, or they've got Welcome 15 INF, which will entitle you to receive 15% off your first box. Now I know that that didn't work last month when I mentioned it in my last video, but I will put it up in my description anyway, so if you are interested then you're welcome to try and use it. But if I can find any other discount codes then I will add them down below in my description as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside their August box. So inside we find a booklet. Ooh! Little card, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, and also you'll find beauty related interviews, etc. And on the front page here it'll give you the value for this month's box, which is £112. So that's what this box is worth. And let's open this up to give you a bit of a sneak peek first. Ooh. First up, we have got Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water to Prime, Set and Refresh. And there's 120 mils here. Oh, I love a spray. Hold bottle 8 to 10 centimeters away from your face and mist lightly. Apply before makeup to prime skin, after to set your look, or anytime throughout the day for an instant refresh. Rightio, let's do it. I'm always a bit nervous though, because some sprays hit you with such a force. Your face is soaked. But I'm hoping, should we just do a tester? No, it's a fine one. It's a fine one. Oh, lovely, lovely. Oh, it smells so nice as well. Oh, my wet face, wet face. The recommended retail price for this mist is £25. A soothing face restoring coconut water mist that will make skin look like it's had a full night's rest. This lightly scented formula is infused with coconut water, a probiotic based ingredient and potent skin reviving minerals to boost skin's radiance, promote elasticity and hydration while locking down makeup for fresher, longer and more flawless wear. I love that. It feels amazing on my skin. It does feel really nice. Great for dry skin and daily use. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got an award-winning Baked Original highlighter, and this is in shade French Vanilla. I remember trying one of these a couple of years ago. I think I had like a little mini in a different subscription box, and I absolutely loved it. You see a lot of Laura Geller on QVC as well, and they do have some really good deals. But yeah, that's what it looks like there. There, can you see the colour there? Right. It feels so soft, really, really smooth. It is really, really pretty. It's quite subtle. It's a type of highlighter that I would wear maybe on a night out. I'd wear it during the day by just applying it very lightly to my skin, but at night then I would like build it up so that I've got a more intense highlight. Yeah, I love that. I've got a full-size version. The recommended retail price for this highlighter is £18. This cult favourite low glow highlighter delivers radiance to cheekbones, brightens the inner corners of your eyes, defines the cupid bow of the lips for a fuller looking pout, or can be worn all over your face for a subtle luminescent finish. Baked for 24 hours on terracotta tiles, then hand finished into silky domes of powder by Italian artisans, this brightening formula is infused with antioxidants, Centella asiatica and white tea extracts to protect skin, a truly all-in-one beauty solution. There's that. Next, we've got a liquid eyeliner and stencil. This is the bolder the better. Ooh. I'm trying to think, what products from Laura Geller have I tried before besides the highlighters? Have I tried a blush maybe? I might have tried a blush. I don't think I've tried anything else. Maybe a lipstick? I can't remember. Oh my word. Oh my word. I love this. So you've got your liquid black eyeliner. Oh, that is super pigmented. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. And then you've got stencils. So if you're absolutely useless at drawing a wing, then this would be brilliant. That is so cool. Look. Look, there's a really badly drawn eye, okay? So how am I going to do this? Line up the stencil to the outer corner. I'm going to have to do it like this. So apologies, you won't see this, but I'll see what it's like. This is a useless demonstration. Apologies. I just can't do it because I need more than one hand. I tried it on there, on that little eye there. I'm going to have to stop. I'm going to have to stop. I love the fact that they both come together. So what can I tell you about it then? This is a waterproof formula and the recommended retail price is £20. This felt tip allows for a precise, controlled application, and the complementary eye stencil makes the most difficult eye designs a breeze. Master any eye look from fine and natural to broad and bold, even the cat eye. Once it sets, this liner provides an intense colour payoff that lasts all night and all day. From your morning meetings all the way through girls' night out. I'm going to have to get that off pretty quick, aren't I? I'm really stuck with some useless drawings on my hand. Next we've got a mascara, and this is an Everyday Excellence Defining Mascara for a full fan effect. What's the wand like? Ooh, okay. Yeah, a nice wand there. Not too small, and hopefully enough to grab my short, straight, thin lashes. So the recommended retail price for this mascara is £18. This ultra creamy blendable, you don't want a blendable mascara. This ultra creamy buildable jet black mascara provides intense length and definition. The unique precision brush perfectly separates, defines and coats even every single lash for instant eye opening results without the clumps. It's got a mascara. Next we've got a lipstick, and we've got here Smart Pout Transfer Proof Lipstick, matte moisturising in shade Brilliant. You can see it there. Oh, the colour looks promising. Yeah, the colour looks really lovely. Okay. Oh yeah, it's gorgeous. That is really nice. I've got a bit of a nude gloss on my lips, but I'll try it on top. It's very similar to the colour that I'm already wearing, but I do really like it. It does feel amazing, and I love the fact that, yeah, it's not going to come off. Well, apparently. The recommended retail price for this lipstick is £16. The luxurious finish and creamy texture seamlessly combine long wear with lasting nourishment for healthy, hydrated lips. The innovative formula coats your lip in transfer-proof colour that won't budge even when worn underneath your face mask. Okay, so we've got a lipstick. Next we've got a brush. We've got a angled blusher brush. Really nice and soft. Oh, it's a really nice brush. I do really like that. It feels really nice and soft on my skin. This is a vegan brush and the recommended retail price is £15. Sculpt cheeks like a pro with this angled powder brush, shaped to expertly blend blush and bronzers for the perfect contour. So we've got a brush. So those are all the Laura Geller products. But we've still got two little freebies here. So first up we've got Hawaiian Tropic Aloe Care Protective Sun Lotion SPF 30. So it's a little one-use sachet there. And next we've got a perfume. We normally get a perfume in a cohorted box. This is BDK Perfumes Velvet Tonka. Ooh. I've never tried this before. Let's have a whiff. Oh, now that is a scent I don't normally go for, but that is really nice. Yeah, I don't normally go for it, but it is different. I quite like it. Yeah, like a sexy evening perfume maybe. Oh, so there you go. So those are all the products. I'm just going to gather them all up and do a bit of a recap. We've got a Spackle Face Mist to prime and set. We've got a Mighty Pen, a liquid eyeliner and stencil set. We've got a baked highlighter in shade French Vanilla. We've got an Everyday Excellence mascara. We've got a Smart Pout, long-lasting, creamy lipstick in shade Brilliant. And lastly, we have a blusher brush. And then the two little freebies. So the cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of, I forgot now, £112. I haven't tried a lot of Laura Geller products before. I think only a highlighter and a blush. I'm not sure if I've tried anything else. I love the eyeliner. I'm going to have fun trying to get that off. But I love the fact that it comes with a stencil. The lipstick colour is gorgeous. Yeah, I do really like it. The setting spray or the priming spray felt amazing. Yet to see what the mascara will be like, but it looks okay from the wand. And now I've got a full-size highlighter as well, which I've never had before. So I'm really grateful to Cohorted for sending this box out to me. I do think it's worth £39.99. Only if you like this brand though, or if you've never tried any products from this brand and you're curious in seeing what this brand is like. Otherwise this might be a miss box for you. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of Laura Geller? Do you subscribe? What do you think of the products that you've received? Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.